Hey, I've got another vanity mirror here under review for you. This is from Amorho. What's unique about this one is they come with two sets of lights, meaning you've got this front row for your face, but it also uses a separate channel for the glow on the back wall. So most of them have one single set all the way around, which gives you the front and out the back or the side to light your wall. So this one gives you more light than others by lighting the back wall with a separate channel and the front, for your face. You get three colors with it. So off, there's cool, medium, and warm. And then you get a button down here for dimming. And of course, you've got your anti-fog. The quality of the build is good. The only thing I noticed is the anti-fog, nice and warm, is a little bit smaller than others, but you're getting dead center anti-fog. So you're going to get more light out of this unit than others, but you're not going to get as much defog. It just depends on what you're looking for. It's well built. It does have that channel lip right here to be able to hang. You get two little brackets. This is 36 by 36. They come in multiple sizes. This one being square, you can't hang it wrong. Basic plug on them, just like all the others. If you're going to hardwire, you're going to have to cut it and put it into your box. I think it's a pretty nice mirror. I like the fact that you get more lights. That's always a plus, so you can really see what you're up to. Check it out.